Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate choir vocals with Suno AI. The first thing you have to do is to go onto your browser, log into your Suno account. Once you log into your Suno, you have to go where it says Create. And under here, make sure you go where it says Advanced. Scroll down, then go under Styles to set what kind of choir vocals you want or style of vocals you want. I would recommend you to use another AI to know your specific type of choirs you want. Myself, I'll give an example for ChatGPT. You can log into your ChatGPT and you can enter this command. Generate different styles of choirs with great description for Suno AI. And it will generate styles that you can pick from. Or if you have your own specific choirs you can try, you can also use your own style specifically. So for an example, you can see the first one is Epic Cinematic Choir. This is the styles you should enter into your Suno AI program. And there's also the Gospel Power Choir and Heavenly Angelic Choir. And then if you want African Gospel Choir, Romantic Choir, Dark Gothic Choir, Warrior Choir, just depending on the styles that you want, you can then copy the prompt and then you paste it into the Suno. You can also specify that if you want a certain vocals not to have a lead, you can remove that. Or if you want that, you can specify that to have a lead. Also, you can specify in the prompt to know where the choir should come in. Should it come in on the chorus, or it can come in on a specific line or lyric that you have inserted in Suno. That's another way you can generate choir vocals for Suno AI. And you're done.